So if you want to visit Harem, again I'm telling you should not get to the first courtyard back because it is a social one. And they also built that wooden section again for VIPs where they watch those concerts. But that wooden
I got an even number. So guys, ये है बैक साइड ऑफ द हागा सोफिया और अभी हम जा रहे हैं कोटापिक पैलेस. So I was pronouncing the name in the wrong way. It's the Topkapı Palace, not Kotapi. It's Topkapı. It's T. Yes. Let's go inside. So guys, Topkapı Palace 700 square kilometers है. It's a sort of museum. उसके अंदर भी एक और म्यूजियम है. उसमें एक और घंटा लगेगा पूरा. यहाँ से 15 मिनट की वॉक है उसकी पहले पॉइंट पे पहुँचने के लिए. टोकापी पैलेस पे 15 मिनट की वॉक हो जाएगी. उसके बाद ही एंड पे पहुँचेंगे. एंड से वापस शुरू करेंगे स्टार्ट पे. लाइक फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू द एंड. आई सेड इट द ऑपोजिट. Yeah. Hello.
This one also has again the basilical plan architecture. This architecture style started to be used in the 6th century in the time of this. Almost the same. But of course, half of this building was burned down with the earthquake in 8th century. They rebuilt it again. Had a lot of restorations. The Ottomans had some more restorations here too. That's why you can see the Holy Crosses on the top of these columns, and one more Holy Cross shaped mosaic about Christianity in the middle of the apsis here. But this is it. Already the Romans did not decorate the building. Even they did not mind about the symmetrical things about the construction. You can see the base part of the column right there. You can have a closer look while walking too. Actually, that base part was the capital. It was the head part of the column before the riots. But they were using the materials whatever left in their hands for reconstruction. Even sometimes by turning them upside down, using it as a base for the column here, and like a little bit different material. Sometimes the columns are not enough long. They use some more stones on the base part to make it higher. So they did not mind about the construction beauty. They did not mind about the symmetrical things here. They just kept the belief live here, reconstructed the building, and that's all it is. But that wooden section originally did not exist in the building in Roman time. Just built that for VIPs that I hate them all. Any questions? All right, we have a lot of things to see in Topkapı Palace. Let's go.
This is a church. Yeah.
can check it out on the website. Perfect. If you are able to buy some online tickets as well. But with the tours, the tour guide has the tickets.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that the church?
Yes, it was.
Aynen. Burada zaman geçelim. Ready?
So we are inside the Topkapı Palace. Let's go forward. वन पेविलियन। चलिए अंदर चल के एक बार देख लेते हैं। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बिल्डिंग, लेकिन ये अभी रेनोवेशन में इसलिए अंदर नहीं जा सकते हैं। और अगर मुझे वहाँ पे भी जाना है, अंदर कुछ बहुत स्पेशल है, लेकिन अगर मैं लाइन में खड़ा रहा तो दूसरे टूर के लिए मैं लेट हो जाऊँगा, so I won't be able to complete it. Let's go outside.
So if you want to visit Harem, again I'm telling you should not get to the first courtyard back because it is a social park. You cannot come back to the museum again because I have used your tickets. If you want to see the Harem, entrance is right here. When you get in, this is the entire Harem museum, and the exit gate of Harem is on this corner. So you will get in by this way and get out by this way. Still going to be the same borders here even after you visit. And the council was right in front of the tower here. It was the clock collection on this part, right beside the council, and the weapon collection on the corner here. Entire right side was the kitchen. Exactly. So you can